Hey you guys, I'm gonna be doing a simple makeup tutorial. So now I am doing my eyebrows and it's pretty simple. I just outline my eyebrows and then brush them. Then I will take concealer and clean up around my eyebrows and also my eyelids. Then I took the lighter shade and this contour palette to set the concealer. And now I am using this eyeshadow palette that I got from TikTok shop and just creating a soft glam eyeshadow look. I will be using the same contour palette to contour around my face and my cheekbones. And this is the lip liner and lip gloss that I will be wearing. And this is the finished look. It's a pretty simple makeup tutorial and I hope you guys enjoyed.